Hello students, let us continue the lesson Journey to the Top. Bachendri, when she was 13 years old, her parents could not afford to send her to school. But the principal of her school persuaded her family to send her to college. Thus, her education continued. Her BA graduation thrilled her parents, who had wanted her to be the first girl in the village with a degree. She completed her BA degree also. That pleased her parents because she was the only first girl in the village with a degree. She eventually did an MA in Sanskrit and then BEd. She completed her MA also and BEd also. In spite of these achievements, the job offers that came in were only temporary and junior level positions. See, she got so many job offers also, but she was inspired only about mountaineering. Inspired by her love for the mountains, Bachendri decided to apply to the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering for the basic mountaineering course. Even she got job offers, she was not happy with that. She was judged the best student in the course and much to her surprise was marked down as Everest material. Yes, she had applied to the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering course. There she was marked as even Everest material. She completed her advanced mountaineering course too with flying colors. Bachendri climbed the Gangotri and Rudragaya in an advanced camp during her time at NIM. In the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering course she joined. After she joined the course, she completed and she even climbed the Gangotri and Rudragaya during her time at course. Her mentor, Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of National Adventure Foundation, came to Uttarkashi in February 1983 to run an adventure course for teachers at the NIM. Among 7 educated women, his mentor selected Bachendri also for scholarship. Bhagirathi 7 Sisters Adventure Club was set up by him after he came to know that through Bachendri Pal that the poor could use their mountaineering skill to make a living. This was a unique organization of girls and women to help other girls to find adventure. This scheme would take care of the monetary worries of trained girls and women. Yes, they had set up this scheme to help the poor so that they use their mountaineering skill to make a living. Bachendri, whose family was under economic pressure, became an instructor here and reduced their financial burden. Yes, it was helpful to Bachendri's family also, where they had a economic pressure. Bachendri was selected for the Indian Everest expedition in 1984. This was the first mixed expedition and its prime aim was to provide Indian women the opportunity to face the challenge of climbing Mount Everest. Finally, she was selected for the first Indian Everest expedition. Till then, 4 women in the world had scaled the peak. The team comprised 7 women and 11 men, and this was Bachendri's first real expedition. Now the journey started. They faced many setbacks including an avalanche and injuries. What is meant by avalanche? It is a mass of snow, ice and rocks falling rapidly down a mountainside. When it happens, they don't know. Suddenly it happens. A sudden landslide injured the members of her team. So many people injured. However, Bachendri Pal continued her climb to reach the peak on May 23, 1984. Bachendri conquered the summit of Sagarmatha, the Nepali name for the highest peak in the world. Yes, the Sagarmatha is another name given by Nepali for the Mount Everest at 1:07 p.m. It was a difficult climb of over 29,028 feet, that is 8,848 meter height, is Mount Everest. Her dream had come true. At this moment of joy, Bachendri Pal writes, "My thought went to my father and mother who taught us the value of struggle and the value of efforts. At last, she reached her goal to conquer the summit of Mount Everest." Let us end up the class here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.